I'm on my way into the centre of Lincoln for a couple of reasons. Firstly, I want to try and take some photos of the light show that the City of Lincoln Council have put on. And secondly, I want to get some steps in because I'm doing 10,000 steps again. It's February and I'm doing really well. I'm on 250,000 steps and I've got 7 days to go and I'm easily going to hit my 280,000 target. But yeah, two good reasons for doing that. So I'm on my way into town. I've got a slight different state because I'm going to use the Canon 100D. I've still got this. I tried to give it back to the owner because I'm borrowing it and he said keep it for a bit longer, so I'm really happy. The reason I'm going to use this camera instead of my Olympus is because the 18-55 lens gives me a slightly wider viewpoint. So I might need that to get all the lights in, and also it's got a slightly bigger sensor than my Olympus and that will help to gather a bit more light and hopefully make my images a little bit better. I don't know, I did do a test and it's 50-50, but I'm going to try this. It is a challenge for me because I'm still not 100% used to where all the buttons are and all the settings, but I'm sure I'll quickly work it out. So let's go and have a look and see what we can find. If you're thinking it's not very dark for a light show shoot, you're probably right. That's because I've come out about an hour early to get here early, to get set up and to get sorted. However, I was watching football or soccer, as some of you might know it as, and my favourite team were winning 1-0 when I left, so I was quite happy, and that gave me the confidence to come out and get set up early. I think it's dark enough now to try and get a picture, and there's lights going up a steep hill, and I'll try and get a shot of those. So just get the camera set up and I'll show you what I'm trying to do. So this first shot I've gone for 1.3 seconds, f5.6, and I'm focusing on this part right here, third in the picture. I've got the 2-second timer on, and let's take this shot and see how this first one comes out. It's these lights leading up steep hill with the lamps at the top. Let's see what that looks like now. This shot is going to be pot luck because the lights are changing all the time. I've just gone for 1.3 seconds, f5.6 again. As you can see, it's all over the place with the lights changing all the time. I'm just going to hit the button. Hopefully there's not too many people in my shot and that's all right. I'll try a few more and see what I get. It's not too bad on the back of camera, but I'll try a few more. This shot's going to be interesting because there's loads of people in Castle Square, and I've got 8 seconds for f5.6. Hopefully that'll help to smooth the people out. I'm on a 2-second timer. There's lots of lights in the foreground, lots of people about. Let's go for it. And there it is on the back of the camera. That's not too bad. I think that'll look all right. These lights look good. As the lights are cutting across the grass, they're leaving really nice lines. So I've gone for a 5-second exposure. There's a picture, might be slightly overexposed, so I'll just drop the exposure a bit. Try a 2.5-second exposure. I think it's amazing. That's it, that's the Lincoln Light Show. It was a bit underwhelming, especially compared to last year. Maybe the City of Lincoln Council ran out of money. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have, it'd be brilliant if you'd give it a like. If you're enjoying my photography content, it'd be amazing if you would subscribe to the channel. It'd be fantastic. I hope the pictures come out all right and you enjoy them, but once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.
Wow.